All right, let's look at the homework 4.1, problem number 8. All right, so let's find the absolute minimum and absolute maximum of this function. All right, so let's find the first derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, all right, so we're going to use the quotient rule, so square the bottom, so quantity 1 plus x squared, squared. Right, derivative of the top, derivative of e to the x is e to the x times the bottom, 1 plus x squared, minus top e to the x times derivative of the bottom would be 2x. Right, so you can see that e to the x is in common, so you pull it out. Then you would have x squared. So let's so we took care of e to the x. Then we have x squared. And then we have a negative 2x. So we're going to put that minus 2x. And then you have a plus 1 and plus 1. And over, we have, let's see, 1 plus x squared is equal to. All right, so you can actually factor this out. So e to the x, this is actually x minus 1 squared. And then you have 1 plus x squared, quantity squared. We set that equal to 0, right? Then you can see that here, x equals 1 is going to be a critical number. Right, so 1 is on this interval we should consider. We don't have a critical number of second type because denominator is never 0. All right, so we just need to compute f of left endpoint and also f of 1, which is a critical number, and the right endpoint is 6, so f of 6. So this is going to be e to the 0 is 1 over 1 plus 0 squared would be 1. So this is going to be just 1. And if you plug in 1, so e to the 1 is e over 1 plus 1 squared would be e over 2, right? And this is going to be equal to 6, so you have e to the 6th power over 1 plus 6 squared is 36, 37, right? All right, then, well, this one's a little tough one. Let's see, e is about the 2.7 divided by 2 is bigger than 1. So looks like the smallest is 1. So this is going to be our absolute minimum there, right? So we got that. Right, then looks like e to the 6 over 37. So this is going to be the largest one. So this is going to be absolute maximum there, right? So let's type it in. All right, so minimum value is absolute min is 1, and the absolute max is e to the 9th power divided by 37. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got both of them correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.